Within 8 seconds of looking at photos of a house online, buyers have already made a decision on whether they are interested or not. 8 seconds! Attention spans are shot nowadays, and home buyers are no exception. When selling your home, you have to first sell the buyer on wanting to see your home in person. So this is why impressions and staging are key to a fast sale for top dollar on your home. And it doesn't have to be hard or expensive. Just a few easy tips go a long way to attracting a buyer's attention. My name is Kerry Tanner. I'm a realtor with AtCoastal Realty. Here are a few tips that will make a big impact on buyers. Tip number 1, lighting is everything. Great lighting is the difference between your home feeling like a warm, cozy retreat or the interior of a cold and musty warehouse. Use light temperatures that match the decor and ambience of your home. And make sure the bulbs are not only the same color, but the same wattage as well. Tip number 2, the front room is the most important as it's the first interior photo of the home buyers are most likely going to see. When thinking about furniture positioning, make sure that the furniture is not all pushed to one side or up against the walls. Tip number 3, make all of the bedding in the house look like a hotel. Now, I know buyers aren't buying the bed, but they're going to subconsciously see your bed as their own and imagine how relaxed they're going to feel when they're in that room. So make sure the bed is clean and tidy. And finally, tip number 4, put away all clutter. Clutter gives a sense of claustrophobia to the space. So putting everything away will create wide open spaces. This includes nearly everything on your kitchen and bathroom counters. These tips go a long way to making your listing photos pop and showcasing your house in the best light. If you want some personalized recommendations on how to best stage your home, shoot me a direct message and let's set up a time to meet and chat about getting top dollar on your house.